after 1.5 kilometers approximately, there are some problems on my way, so I think I won't go further because I will have some stains definitely. Also, some of mosquitoes catched me partly, you see, so it's better not to stop or to go to this place at the beginning of May, when the nature might be young, green, and without any of these hungry guys, because of course I like you, but I don't want to give you my blood, suckers. So I think I will go to the beginning of tunnel, and but if not the mosquitoes, I think I may enjoy this place much more and may consider to take some Crema anti-mosquitoes and something like that. Maybe it would be better, or to go to this place in other period of time. So I think I'll run for some time again and talk to you later. Bye.